We're heading back into America, Biscuits, and we're crossing the bridge here. I think we want to be in the open lane, not the buffalo lane, because I think that's probably some kind of speed pass or something. Back into America. There's America over there. I've missed you. I missed you. And we're about to cross. Can we lane split? Just let us back into our country, please. Come on, let us in. Let us in. Let me in.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm gonna wait over here for you guys. I'm just waiting for my buddies.
How long were you up in Canada for?
I was in Canada for 2 days.
Where do you live?
I live in Indianapolis.
I'm gone.
Thank you.
Adam.
This is how, what's your name again? This is how Pappy has to get on his bike.
Maximum effort.
Well, Biscuits, we're back in the United States, the land of the free, the home of the brave, the protectors of the Second Amendment, the only country like it in the world. God bless America. Let's get the show back on the road. America! Yes, it is. We're turning left. Watch out, homie. Hey, this is a green light, so please don't miss it. Hey, Biscuits, welcome to Buffalo, New York, the home of the Buffalo Wild Wings. Just kidding. It's where Buffalo Wild Wings was invented. Yeah, we're going to take a hard right and then a hard left. All right, I mean, this is a weird way to go, but sorry, guys. America, you really know what you're doing sometimes. Look at all the sailboats, man. It's like I think they're having a regatta out there. Oh, but that doesn't look so nice to your left. If you look to our left, you'll see dilapidation and the consequences of high taxes. This is beautiful. My butt is in a lot of pain as well. I agree. Day 3 was the most monumental day of our trip so far. That was so great that you saw the shop because MJ wouldn't have gotten his bike fixed. And now with MJ's bike fixed, the saga continues. All right, Biscuits, we are in Fredonia, the end of our day 3. And we're just about to head to our house. Oh yeah, the Rock Cottage. Hell yeah, dude. No, I got an email about how to get in. All right, boys, it's the start of day 4. We are in Fredonia, New York, and we're headed to Oregon, Ohio. So we're driving through Cleveland today, hoping to stay on Route 5 along Lake Erie. It's going to be a great ride. Check it out with us. Doug's doing his calisthenics and yoga before he gets on the bike. Old Pappy. Yeah, hit me with that downward dog, Pappy. You gonna do any yoga? All right, we proceed. Look at the view. The vineyards and the lake.
Okay, quick interjection. What happens next is insane. I somehow ran into a bee butt first, and it managed to sting me. Check this out.
Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. I got a bug in my arm. I think it's literally the stinger. Oh, fuck. can you come look at this, buddy? Can you fucking get that out of there? Fucking bee just hit the one exposed part of my arm. That fucking throbs, boys. No, but I mean, what are the chances of hitting a bee on the ass? Boys, this really fucking hurts, eh? I don't know why I'm still talking like a Canadian. Who knew I'd have this kind of problem?
Yeah, we're just enjoying the beautiful scenery and a bee.
I mean, a bee on the one exposed part of my arm. This is all on GoPro, though, so. Unbelievable. How does this happen? Look at it. It's swelling up, buddies.
Fresh scraping backwards.
Oh, well, that's a different type of surgery. I haven't been certified for this. Biscuits, you see what happens when you ride through vineyards? Keep yourself covered. Oh, yeah, sure enough. Real grapes.
Serious buggage going on.
This is where wine comes from, boys. Well, that was a little too much excitement for a Sunday morning, cruising on a beautiful road. But yeah, nothing serious, just a bee sting. Good thing I'm not allergic. Welcome to Pennsylvania. What's the worst that could happen? Never thought I'd get stung by a bee while riding 70 miles an hour on a bike. Alrighty, now we're heading into Cleveland, Ohio. Yes, sir, not ideal conditions. It actually looks beautiful, but it's very windy today. And here we are in Cleveland. Alright, but this is a pretty cool little road, right? We're up in the air, downtown Cleveland. That does some weird stuff to the front tire. That is really squirrely, dude. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see. Motorcyclists make friends. That's what we do, right? Sandusky Bay. Look at the white caps. It's clearly windy today. Oh, I can't wait to get off the bike. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. 130 miles on the dot. This is good. Good route. We're making good time, boys. All right, Biscuits, we are almost at our day 4 stop. It's been a nice day of riding. We covered something like 200 some miles. What did we do, guys? Yeah, so around 240 miles. This one, it's gotta be this one. Well, here we are, boys. All right, guys, that's the end of day 4 as far as I'm concerned, so Alrighty, Biscuits, it is the start of day 5. We are heading out of Oregon, Ohio, heading into Toledo, and then back home to Indianapolis. It's been a great journey. Check it out with us. Well, Biscuits, we're headed to the promised land of Chick-fil-A for a good morning breakfast. Get our day started right with some of the Lord's chicken. Take a bite off the fruit from the forbidden tree. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Somebody's following us. I mean, remember, everybody's at work today. Here we are at Chicken Fillet. It was divine. But that's what my bike wants. And Susie always gets what she wants. Ripping some 93 octane, boys. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go. I'm kidding.
I'm ready now.
All right, we're heading back on the road. Fuel stop number 1 for day 5 complete. No, I think we're gonna have to stop again. Riding with the homies. Look at these. Look at this tight formation. We're back in Indiana finally. You can tell because of all the corn. You can tell this is Indiana because of how it is. Yeah, are those potatoes or beans or... I don't know, I'm a city slicker. I know nothing about this stuff. So MJ, how are you feeling about your bike now? Now that we're nearing the end of the trip and it's working well and you feel like you want to sell it? Dude, you could put 2 6-packs in those saddlebags. Son, come out. So Doug's just left us. We're just about to finish up this trip here. Thanks guys for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop me a like and a subscribe. Share this video with friends. It really helps me out a lot. We're going to be doing more and more of these adventures as time moves on. One thing that I can say for sure is that this bike is amazing at these trips. I know the seating position could be better. It is a sport bike. We've basically done 1,100 miles on this trip, and this bike has had 0 issues the entire time. It just runs. 5 days, 1,100 miles, a lap around Lake Erie. It's been a wonderful trip. Shout out to MJ, also known as Lance. Shout out to Doug, also known as Pappy. And this is here, your boy, Biscuit Benny, aka Captain Crunch on this trip, signing out. And with that, I say, peace!